Today, I will walk you through the Excel interface so you can navigate it with confidence. Let's dive in. I'm using the Microsoft 365 version, but any version will do. Open up Excel from your laptop or PC. It will open up the section called Excel Start Screen, also called the Excel Home Screen. Over here, you can navigate to these useful how-to features. This is a very good tool to get started with Excel. You've got a blank workbook. This is where all the good stuff happens. Then we have Welcome to Excel, Formula Tutorial, Power Query Tutorial, and many more advanced how-to sections. This new workbook section allows you to open a blank workbook. Below this, you'll find the Recent Files section. This section displays the most recently opened Excel files for quick access. Next to this, we have the pinned and shared files. On the left side of the Excel Start screen, we have the navigation pane. Contains options like Home, New, Open, Account, and Options. Finally, we have the search bar. This helps you find files or commands easily. Now, let's open a new workbook. At the very top, we have the title bar. This shows the name of your current workbook. On the right, we have the minimize, maximize, and closed buttons. Over here, you'll see that the workbook name is Book 1. Any blank workbook you open will have the same name. We will change it to Getting Started with Excel. You can save this workbook at the top over here, or you can put on the automatic feature to save your workbook as you proceed and adding in data. Below the title bar, we have the ribbon. This is where all the magic happens. The ribbon is divided into tabs like Home, Insert, Formulas, Data, and so much more. Each tab contains different groups of commands that will help you format, calculate, and analyze your data. Next, we have the formula bar, where you can enter and edit data or formulas for any selected cell. On the left, you'll see the name box, which tells you the address of the active cell. You can also use it to name specific ranges for quick reference. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the worksheet area. This is the grid where all your data lives. It's made up of columns A, B, C, etc. and rows 1, 2, 3, etc. forming cells. Each cell is identified by a unique address, for example, A1, B2, C3. At the bottom, we have worksheet tabs. These let you switch between different sheets within the same workbook. You can also rename, delete, or move sheets to keep things organized. Here, I'm renaming sheet 1 and replacing it with interface. Then, to add a second sheet, we just click on the plus sign and rename the sheet. Down here, we have the status bar, which gives us quick stats about selected data, like sum, average, and count. It also shows the current mode, whether you are entering or editing data. Alright, so finally, at the bottom and to your right, you'll see scroll bars. In order for us, because there's not much data in this Excel spreadsheet, I am going to type in number 2 and just drag it across. In later videos, I will show you how to do all of those tips and tricks and, just duplicating numbers and things like that. So because I dragged it all the way across, well, most of it across, you can see I can move to the right. The same with moving down now. I can move further up and down, and the space where I'm working in on my spreadsheet is not limited. So that is why it's giving me the option to move right across, left, right, up, down. And that's it. Now you know the basics of the Excel interface. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on an update. Also, comment below and let me know what Excel topics you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video. Happy excelling!